Namaste, good morning friends. How are you? Okay, you all are fine. I am fine too. In last period we have started the first unit We Need Smile and we have learnt many things. But now today we are going to learn the activity 5 Smile in the Mirror part 1. Smile. Smile. It is called smile. In the mirror in which we can look our face, etc. That is called as mirror. Smile in the mirror part 1. It was 11th April 2011. Which date was that? It was 11th April 2011. And today, can you tell me the date? Today date? Yes. Okay. Today is 28th July 2020. In this way, it was 11th April 2011. It was Tejaswini's 12th birthday. Tejaswini means Winnie, the main character of our lesson. Winnie's 12th birthday. Her father. Look here. Look keenly here. The spelling has fault. R is more. The real spelling is Father. That's why we have to improve the spelling. Remove R. Okay? Father. Father. Father gifted her a beautiful bicycle. How? Beautiful bicycle. It was a unique bike. Meaning, an only thing is called unique. Look here. It is unique bike. Look here. This is the special word for the bicycle or cycle. With proud, the name is changed. Instead of cycle or bicycle, the bike. Why? Because he has, she has, they have the honor about their bike. Okay, that's why bike is here. Blue in color. What color is the bike? Okay, the bike is blue. A soft seat. Tejaswini's bike has what type of seat? Soft seat. A little bell. Tin, 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 tin. Okay? And a rear view mirror. Each and every vehicle must have the mirrors to avoid accidents. Tejaswini's bike or bicycle has rear view mirror. A special type of mirror in which we can see the back side scenes. When Tejaswini saw her bicycle, she said with smiling face, "Wow!" She felt proud. She placed a foot on left pedal and yelled. What did she say? "Here I go, woohoo!" She moved faster and faster. She went to the river bank, not on the express, national highway, Bombay highway, etc. But she went to the river bank. What type of the path was? The path was not smooth. The path was not a good way, but the path was rough. Okay? She placed her foot on left pedal and yelled, "Here I go, woohoo!" She moved faster and faster. She went to the river bank. She enjoyed riding the bicycle on this rough path. She was riding at her top speed, the most powerful speed. Then she noticed. What did she notice? Here. Then she noticed a red button near the bell. Here must be the red button. Red button near the bell. What was that? She thought. She pushed the button. Lo and behold, what happened then? As soon as she pushed the button, there came out a big fan. There came out a big fan on rear wheel. Look here. This is called front wheel. This is called rear wheel. As soon as she pushed the button, the big fan came out on its rear wheel. The fan started rotating. The sound of rotating the fan. Rum, 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 rum. It thrilled Tejaswini. We also thrill. It thrilled Tejaswini. She pedaled the bicycle with full strength because she is in enthusiasm, so much zeal today. ચાલો મિત્રો, આપણે હવે આગળ થોડું શબ્દો વિશે સમજી લઈશું. તો મિત્રો, આપણે શબ્દોને વેલ પ્રોનાઉન્સ અને મિનિંગ સાથે સમજી લઈએ, જેથી કરીને આપણું જે આ ભાષા જ્ઞાન છે વ્યવસ્થિત બને. બર્થ, BIRTH, ડે, DAY, બર્થડે, જન્મદિવસ. ટુ ગિફ્ટ, ઇટ્સ વર્બ, ભેટ આપવી. બ્યુટીફુલ, હાઉ? બ્યુટીફુલ, BEAUTIFUL, બ્યુટીફુલ, સુંદર. યુનિક, one and only thing is called unique, 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 અજોડ. soft seat, house seat, soft seat, soft, SOFT, પોચી બેઠક, દંડલોપ જેવી. rear, REAR, front, rear, પાછળનું. view, દ્રશ્ય, VIEW, વ્યૂ, સીન મતલબ દ્રશ્ય. MIRROR, મિરર, મિરર, અરીસો. ટુ ફીલ પ્રાઉડ, ઇટ્સ અ વર્બ, ફીલ પ્રાઉડ, ગર્વ અનુભવ. આઈ એમ પ્રાઉડ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ. ટુ પ્લેસ, આઈ એમ પુટિંગ માય બોલ પેન ઇન માય પોકેટ. ટુ પ્લેસ, મૂકવું. ફૂટ, our body part, foot. But the lower part of the leg is called foot. Left, right, in this way, this one is called left. Yell, to cry with zeal, to cry with enthusiasm. Faster and faster, વધારે ઝડપથી. ER લાગવાથી પોઝિટિવ ડિગ્રીમાંથી કમ્પેરેટિવ ડિગ્રીમાં લાગે, એટલે ફાસ્ટનું ફાસ્ટર થયું. ફાસ્ટર એન્ડ ફાસ્ટર, વધારે ઝડપથી. રિવર બેંક, RIVERBANK, નોટ મની બેંક, બ્લડ બેંક, બટ રિવર બેંક. હિયર ધ બેંક્સ મિનિંગ ઇઝ તટ, કિનારો. રિવર બેંક, નદી કિનારો. ટુ એન્જોય, ENJOY, એન્જોય, આનંદ માણવો. ટુ રાઇડ, સવારી કરવી. ROUGH, રફ. નોટ સ્મૂધ બટ રફ, ROUGH, રફ, ખરબચડું. પાથ, રોડ. ટોપ સ્પીડ, ટુ નોટિસ, ધ્યાનથી જોવું. ક્રિયાપદ છે એટલા માટે. નિયર, આઈ એમ નિયર ધ બોર્ડ. આઈ એમ ફાર ફ્રોમ ધ બોર્ડ. આઈ એમ નિયર ધ બોર્ડ, નિયર, નજીક. ટુ પુશ, લો એન્ડ બિહોલ્ડ, જુઓ તો ખરા. વિલ, WHEEL, વિલ, પૈડું. ટુ સ્ટાર્ટ, રોટેટ, to move on one's x or axis, that is called rotate. Thrill, THRILLED, thrilled यानी रोमांचित थयु. To pedal, STRENGTH, with power, strength એટલે તાકાત. તો ચાલો મિત્રો, આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ જોઈ લઈએ. ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન: આન્સર ધ ફોલોઈંગ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. નીચે આપેલા સવાલોના જવાબ આપો. ધ ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન: How old was Tejaswini? How old? These two words indicate age of person. How old was Tejaswini? So let's answer. Tejaswini was 12 years old. Okay. Second question. What did her father gift her? We know well. Her father gifted. કેમ ગિફ્ટેડ થયું મિત્રો? નિયમ એવો છે કે સવાલમાં ડીડ હોય, સાદા ભૂતકાળનો સવાલ હોય ત્યારે ક્રિયાપદ ભૂતકાળનું બની જાય જવાબ વાક્યમાં. ગિફ્ટેડ હર એ બ્યુટીફુલ. હાઉ બ્યુટીફુલ bicycle. Let's go ahead on third question. Describe the bicycle. Describe એટલે વર્ણન કરવું. The bicycle was blue in color and it has a red button a little bell a soft seat and a rear view mirror. Okay મિત્રો, the bicycle was blue in color and it has a red button a little bell, a soft seat and a rear view mirror. Let's go on fourth question. Where did Tejaswini go? Where indicates place. Tejaswini went to where? Okay, the river bank. ઓકે મિત્રો, ત્યાર પછી છે પાંચમો સવાલ. હાઉ ડીડ તેજસ્વીની ફીલ વેન શી સો હર બાઇસિકલ? તો જવાબ છે ગૌરવ અનુભવવું. તેજસ્વીની ફેલ્ટ FELT ફીલનું ફેલ્ટ થયું ભૂતકાળ, ફેલ્ટ પ્રાઉડ. Tejaswini felt proud when she saw her bicycle. Question number 6. How was the path on the river bank? How એટલે કેવી સ્થિતિમાં, સ્થિતિ બતાવે છે. How was the path on the river bank? The path on the river bank was rough, rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough એટલે ખરબચડો, not smooth. Question number 7. What did Tejaswini notice? Notice એટલે ધ્યાનમાં આવવું, જોવું. તેજસ્વીની નોટિસ્ડ, અહીંયા પણ ડીડ હોવાથી નોટિસનો નોટિસ્ડ થયું, એકલો ડી લાગવાથી ભૂતકાળ બની ગયું. નોટિસ્ડ એ રેડ બટન, રેડ બટન. Question number 8. What happened when Tejaswini pushed the red button? શું થયું રેડ બટન દબાવવાથી? When Tejaswini pushed the red button, a big fan came out. Come out નું ભૂતકાળ થયું, came out on the, which one? Rear wheel. The opposite of front, rear wheel. The 9th question. Why was Tejaswini thrilled? તેજસ્વીની કેમ રોમાંચ અનુભવવા લાગી? તેજસ્વીની was thrilled. હવે વાય હોવાથી બીકોઝ વડે જવાબ જોડાશે. બીકોઝ a big fan came out on the rear wheel, on the rear wheel. ઉપર જેવો જ જવાબ છે, થોડોક ચેન્જ થશે. rear wheel અહીંયા સુધી સેમ છે. and started rotating. રોટેટિંગ, રોટેટ એટલે ધરી પર ફરવું તે. That's why she felt thrilled.